Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Today we have lesson from Durusul Lughatul Arabiya, Book 1, Lesson 9. This lesson have two parts. Today we will learn the first part. Today our lesson is Natun. Natun means adjective. Natun man'utun. What is Nat and man'ut? A noun that describes please switch off your mics. Natun, a noun that describes or qualifies another noun, is called natun, adjective. The noun being described or qualified is called man'utun. Like a house, baitun jadidun. Baitun jadidun, a new house. In this, baitun is man'ut, baitun is being described, and jadidun is the natun. This is the sifat. Nat is also called sifatun. Sifatun. Manut is also called mausufun. So we can call it natun, manutun, sifatun, mausufun. So it have two names. Natun, manutun, sifatun, mausufun. For natun we use sifatun. For man'utun, we use mausufun. Mausufun, the noun is being described.
Yes, sir.
In Arabic, the natun or the sifatun adjective comes after the man'ut. So man'ut will be first, and after the man'ut there will be nat. While in English, the adjective comes before the noun, it qualifies. So there is agreement between the na'tun and man'utun. There are four rules about the na'tun and man'utun. First is gender. Gender of the na'at and gender of the man'ut, they will be same. If the na'at is masculine, the gender will be masculine. If the na'at is feminine, the man'ut will be also feminine. Gender should be same. Gender of the na'at and the man'ut, it should be same. There is example, haza waladun saghirun. So waladun boy, Sagirun Samal. Waladun is being described. The boy is being described. So this is Mausuf or this is Man'ut. Sagirun. Sagirun is a noun that is qualifying. So it is describing. Sagirun describing the waladun. So Sagirun is not. Haza waladun Sagirun. This is a small boy. In this sentence, waladun is man'ut, Sagirun is natun. This is a small girl. Hazihi bintun sagiratun. Bintun is feminine. For feminine, we will use the sifat or we will use the nat or adjective. It should be feminine. Bintun sagiratun. We cannot say bintun sagirun. For feminine, we will use adjective or sifat or not feminine. Bintun is man'ut. Bintun is being described. Natun is describes. Natun is sifat. Second rule. Indefinite versus definite. If the man'ut is definite, the nat will also be definite. If the man'ut is indefinite, the nat will also be indefinite. They should have the same category of noun. Either we have learned in the beginning that the nouns are either feminine, either masculine. So if the nat is feminine, if the nat is indefinite, man'ut will also be indefinite. If the nat is indefinite, the man'ut will be also indefinite. So their tenses will be same. With indefinite, we will use indefinite. With definite, we will use definite. Like al-mudarrisul jadidu fil fasli. Al-mudarrisu, the new teacher. Al-mudarrisul jadidu, the new teacher. This is definite tense because of the alif lam. So the sifat or not, it is also the same. Al-jadidu. Al-mudarrisul jadidu fil fasli. The new teacher is in the class. And this is the example of the indefinite. Bilalun mudarrisun jadidun. So mudarrisun is the indefinite. Jadidun will be also definite. Indefinite. Mudarrisun is indefinite, so its sifat or its not or an adjective will also be indefinite. Mudarrisun is man'ut or mawsuf, and jadidun is not or sift. Number 3, there is a third rule case. Not and man'ut, they have the same case. Ana fi baitin jadidin. So if the baitin have the tanween, jadidin will also have the tanween. And baitin is majroor because of the fi. Fi is a harf jar and baitin is majroor because of the fi. So its naat or its sifat will also be majroor. Ana fi baitin jadidin. They will have the same case. If baitun is marfu, so it will be jadidun. If baitan, it will be jadidan. So they have the same case. If bait have dhamma, jadid also will have dhamma at the end. If it have fatah, jadid will also have the fatah. If it has kasra, the jadid will also have the kasra. So naat and man'ud, they have the same case. Haza baitun jadidun. So baitun jadidun, this is majroor. So, sorry, this is marfu. So the naat is also marfu. Baitun jadidun. They have the same case. Then the rule number 4, number. Zalika talibun jadidun. Talibun, this is singular. So we will use adjective or naat or masuf singular. For singular, we will use singular sift or singular naat. For dual, we will use dual sifat or naat. For jama, we will use jama naat. So this is the example. That is a new student. Zalika talibun. Talibun is singular. So its sifat is also singular. Jadidun. Talibun is man'ud and jadidun is naat. So they will have the same number, same gender, same case. Ulaikat tulabun jududun. Those are new students. Ulaika, this is plural. Tulabun is the plural of the talibun. So it's now its sifat or adjective will also be plural. It will be plural or jama. Tulabun jadudun, talibun jadidin. Jadidun. Talibun jadidun, tulabun jadudun. So we have to use the same number, same for singular, we will use the singular. For the plural, we will use the plural. For the dual, we will use the dual. Al-usfuru ta'irun savirun. So ta'irun, bird. Ta'irun is khabar and this is man'ud, and savirun is it's not a sifat or adjective. Ta'irun is this is the indefinite, so its sifat is also indefinite. First rule is definite and indefinite. So it is indefinite. Ta'irun is indefinite. Its sifat is indefinite. Number 2, its case is same. Ta'irun have tanween ending and savirun also have tanween ending with dhamma. Gender, ta'irun is masculine and savirun is also masculine. So this way we have to read the man'ud and naat. Ta'irun, gender, this is masculine, and sagirun, gender is masculine. Tayrun is singular. Natun is also, Sagirun is also used for singular. Their case or Tayrun have a same ending. It has a tanween with dhamma, and Sagirun also have the same ending. Sagirun tanween with dhamma. So that was the example of the indefinite, and this is the example of the definite. Al-Kursiyul Maksuru. Al-Kursiyu Al-Maksuru. The chair is broken. Al-Kursiyu, the chair. So this is definite. Al-Maksuru is also the definite. We will use the same case. Al-Maksuru. And their ending is the same. It has this single dhamma and it will also have the single dhamma. Kursi is a singular and al-maksuru is also the singular. Kursi is a masculine, al-maksuru is also a masculine. Al-kursiyul maksuru fil ghurfati. The broken chair is in the room. So fi is harfe jar, and because of the fi al-ghurfati, it take the genitive case. It take the kasra here. Ana fil madrasati sanwiyati. So because of the fi, this is a harfe jar. Madrasa take the madrasa is majroor, so it will take the kasra. Fil madrasati, it will be also the majroor. Not also will be the majroor. If the man'ut is majroor, the naat will also be majroor. Ana fil madrasati sanwiyati. I am in this secondary school. So they have the same case. Al madrasa, this is a man'ut, and as-sanwiyatu, this is naat. And these are the some references from the holy book of the Quran. Kitabun mubinun. So kitabun is indefinite. Mubinun we use for indefinite, we use not indefinite. Kitabun is indefinite, mubinun is indefinite. Kitabun is singular, mubinun is singular. Kitabun is marfu, mubinun is also marfu, have tanween with dhamma. Kitabun is masculine, mubinun is masculine. So we have to check them with the 4 rules. Ulikin azimin. It take kasra because of the ala. Ulikin azimin. So it take the kasra. Its naat or its sifat will also take the kasra. It will also be majroor here. Rasulun karimun. Rasulun, this is singular. Karimun is also singular. Rasulun is indefinite. Karimun is also indefinite. Their genitive case is same. Rasulun and Karimun have the same case. Their ending is tanween with dhamma. They both have ending tanween with dhamma. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Nasirata. So siratal mustaqima. So what we have to note here? This is definite. As-sirata, this is definite. Al-mustaqima, this is also the definite. Okay. As-sirata is singular. Al-mustaqim is singular. As-sirata is masculine. Al-mustaqim is also masculine. So it is mansoob. So mustaqim is also the mansoob. Walahum azabun azim. So azabun azimun, same apply. This is singular. Azabun is singular. Azimun is also singular. Azabun is marfu with the tanween of the dhamma, and azimun is also singular with the tanween of the dhamma. So next is rizqun karimun. Rizqun is singular, masculine, marfu, so and indefinite. So karimun is also singular, marfu, and this is the masculine, this is singular, this is marfu, and this is also have a same case. This is masculine, so it is also this masculine. Fathun karibun. Fathun is, they have the same qualities. Fathun is singular, karibun is also singular. Next is the Arabic is an easy language. Al Arabiyatu lughatun sahlatun. This is lughatun, easy language. This is, check here, this is easy language. So lughatun, this is man'ut or masuf. Sahlatun mean easy. And this is not or masuf. This is not or sift. Here are some examples of Naat and Manut. Al Waladul Hasanu Muhammadu Nil Hasanu. So you can read this one. And this is the English, a big book and a small pen. You have to write it. This will be your homework. You have to write it in Arabic. And these are the, next is also, this is the same we have learned just now. These are the examples from the book of the Holy Quran. So you can later, when you will get the PDF, you can follow this and read this. So in this lesson, we will learn the adjective in Arabic. The adjective in Arabic follows the noun, it qualifies. A new house, baytun jadidun. You just know the 4 rules we have learned there. First is gender. The adjective of a masculine noun is masculine and that of a feminine noun is a feminine. Bintun sagiratun, waladun sagirun. So their gender, it should be same. Number 3, definite or indefinite article. Bilalun mudarrisun jadidun. Mudarrisun is indefinite, so it's a Naat or adjective is also indefinite. Al mudarrisul jadidu. So al mudarrisu is definite. Its naat will also be the definite. Al jadidu. So number 3 is the case the adjective has the same ending as the noun. So what is the ending of the noun? It will be ending of the adjective also. Baitun jadidun. The ending of the baitun will be the ending of the jadidun. Ana fi baitin jadidin. This is baitin is majroor because of the fi. So jadidin is also the majroor. Ending is same. Al baitul jadidu jamilun. Al baitul jadidu. So al bait is the definite and al jadid is also the definite. Man fil baitil jadidi. Al baiti is majroor. Al jadidi is also the majroor. So ending is the same. Adjective ending with alif and noon has no tanween. So those adjectives, their ending is alif and noon, they don't have tanween. Kaslanu, jawanu, atshanu, ghadbanu, mal'anu. So they don't have tanween. Kaslanu lazy, jawanu hungry, atshanu thirsty, ghadbanu angry, mal'anu full. So if there is a alif and noon at the end of the adjective, so it will not take the tanween. Al-fakihatu. Fruits. This is the vocabulary we will learn in this lesson. Al-fakihatu, al-inklisiyatu, al-usfuru, sparrow. Sabun means difficult. So this will you will learn in the lesson. An-natu wal-man'utu. Hadha ar-rajulu karimu. Ar-rajulu, this is definite. Al-karimu, we put here the naat or the sifat also indefinite. Ar-rajulu, ar-rajulul karimu. So they have the, we apply all 4 rules on this. Tajirun, basun, tajirun, ghaniyun. Tajirun is man'ut, ghaniyun is naat. Lugatun jamilatun. So lugatun jamilatun is lugatun is man'ut, jamilatun is naat. Arabic language is beautiful. This is for the masculine. Now this is the for feminine. Al mirwahatu fil ghurfatil kabirati. So fil ghurfati, this is the feminine. So we will use the naat or the sifat or adjective. It should also be feminine. Al ghurfatil kabirati. Al qubu lil mudarrisil jadidi. Because of the li, it is majroor. So lil mudarrisil jadidi. Mudarris is masculine, so naat is masculine. Al mudarris, this is the definite. So al jadid is also the definite. Next is Hazar Rajulu Karimu Tabibun. Hazar Rajulu Karimun. So Ar Rajulu, this is the definite. Karimu is indefinite. So this is the wrong sentence. This is wrong. It should be Hazar Rajulu Rajulul Karimu. Before the Karim, here should be Alif Lam. Hazar Rajulul Karimu Tabibun. So this is the wrong sentence. Abasu Tajirun Ghaniyun. Tajiru Lil Ghaniyu. So Tajiru is indefinite, Al Ghaniyu is definite. So this is wrong. Tajirun Ghaniyun. So here should be Ghaniyun. Abasu Tajirun Ghaniyun. Al Arabiyatu Lughatun Jamilun. So Lughatun is feminine, Jamilun is masculine. So it should be Lughatun Jamilatun. So this is the wrong sentence. Liman tilka siyaratul jadidati. So as-siyaratul jadidati. This is wrong. Why this is wrong? This is also feminine and this is also the feminine. So why it is wrong? Because as-siyaratu, their ending is not the same. This is as-siyaratu. This is al-jadidati. So it should be as-siyaratul jadidatu. It should be al-jadidatu. Liman tilka siyaratul jadidatu. So here is this is the kasra, this is the wrong. Al-mirwahatu fil ghurfatil kabiri. So in this, ghurfa is feminine and al-kabiri is masculine. Their gender should be same. They should have the same gender. So what is the right sixth or right adjective? Al-mirwahatu fil ghurfatil kabirati.
كبيرة.
It should be kabirati. This is majroor. So kabirati will be also the majroor. Their ending will be with the kasra. Al-kubu fil mudarrisil jadidati.
جديد.
So what is wrong in this sentence?
جديد.
It should be jadidi.
جديد.
Al-mudarris is
Jadid.
masculine. Mudarris is masculine and al-jadidati is feminine. Their gender should be same. They don't have the same gender. So this sifat is this is wrong. It doesn't qualify here. We have to use here the same gender. Lil mudarrisil jadidi. So jadidi, it is majroor because of the li here. Li give the kasra. So our time is going to end. I will restart the meeting and you all rejoin again. I will restart immediately. So all brothers and sisters rejoin again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.